Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can blur just the background of your videos on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your videos, go to cutout and go to auto cutout on the second clip like so. Once you are done, as you can see, I move it here, the background has been removed, well, most of it. If you want to remove this part, doesn't really affect the video that much, but you can go to mask and go to split and split it this way, and then that will be removed, as you can see. Okay, move the video back to its place, go to effects, go to lens, and you are going to select the blur, which is right here, and you're going to drag it and drop it on the first video. Here you can adjust like how blurry you want the background to be, and that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!